In class 8 chemistry, will starts with the discovery of neutrons. Until 1920, an atom was considered to be the fundamental unit of matter. Then consists of positively charged proton and negatively charged electron was there, thus making the atom electrically neutral. Ernest Rutherford predicted the existence of another electrically neutral subatomic particle inside the nucleus of atom with almost the same mass of proton. I call this particle as a neutral proton. He thought that both proton and electron might have very closely attached if there were only a particle present, and these were oppositely charged particle, but as proton and electron were not closely united, there should be another subatomic particle of net charge with no net charge. The Rutherford discussed the idea of neutral proton of student, but no experimental evidence of neutral particles was obtained for many years. Once his students James Chadwick made effort to find this neutral proton and perform an experiment. Chadwick placed a beryllium and a polonium element in a vacuum, and eventually polonium emitted alpha particle, and this alpha particle, when made to be hit beryllium, gave out mysterious particle, and this experimentally proved that mysterious particle of the same mass as proton and were neutral in charge. Then Chadwick discovered the third subatomic particle that is named in 1930 named of neutron. What are the characteristics of neutron? The mass of neutron is nearly equal to that of proton, that is 1 AMU. Neutron are present in the nucleus of atom, with hydrogen being an exception. There is no neutron. A neutron does not have any charge. A neutron is represented by the symbol 0 small n 1. That is 0 represent the charge and 1 represent the mass. Now move on to the Bohr's atomic model. And that to overcome the shortcoming of this Rutherford model, Danish physicist Niels Bohr proposed an atomic model. It is known as Bohr atomic model or extranuclear structure of atom. He received the Nobel Prize for this purpose, a contribution to the world of structure of this atom. The significant features of Bohr's atomic model was that the electron revolve around the nucleus in a fixed path, that is called orbit, that is also known as cell. The cell or orbit are represented either by the number 1, 2, 3 or 4 or by letters K, L, M, N, like that way. Each orbit or cell has a fixed amount of energy associated with it. Thus the cells are also known as the energy level or energy cell. The energy of each cell increases as distance from the nucleus increases. The first orbit from the nucleus, that is K cell, has the lowest energy. Second orbit, that is L, has the higher energy than K cell, and the third orbit M cell has the higher energy than the double L cell, and so on. Electrons will not lose energy as long as they are evolving in their particular energy level. Electron loss energy when they move from a higher level energy level to a lower energy level. Electrons gain energy when they move from lower energy level to higher energy level. And the outermost cell of an atom is called the valence cell. These are the different views of Chadwick according to the Chadwick and Bohr's atomic model for that purpose. Next day we will start with the another topic. So today up to that.